Hi, welcome to cabin 6236 on Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Seas. This is a Freedom class ship, and we're going to give you a quick room tour of a standard balcony. When you walk in, there's a small, short hallway. On the right is your restroom, and we will get to that shortly. On the left here is going to be your closet. And on Freedom class, they have very nice closets. So this opens up. You have extra life jackets in here. There are shelves on the right-hand side, and then there are extra hanging bars. So if you need extra room to hang shirts and pants, things like that, you can always bring these down. So there's plenty of room to store everything in your cabin. There's a master switch here. It does not require your CPAS card to activate it. This is an older ship, so it does not use that technology. Coming into the room, on the left-hand side, you're going to have your desk and vanity area. It's very nice. It runs, half of the length of the room. You have different drawers that you can store your belongings. They are a little bit old, could use some refurbishing, a little bit dated, but it's okay. On the vanity, you have two side areas that will open up so you can store toiletries, medications, things like that. It's not very deep, so you're not going to get something that is very wide or long in length. So some of your creams, makeup, things like that. There are two outlets. These are two 120 volt outlets. Behind the phone here, you have your European outlet. And then this is your telephone jack for the telephone. And then this is for your announcements, if you want to hear your announcements in the room. We tend to turn them off. There's a light so you can illuminate the vanity when you're getting ready. Here's your cooler. It's not a refrigerator. It's definitely a cooler. It does not seem very cool right now. So we'll probably get some ice and put some ice in there to chill that up. You have a full-length mirror here, a sofa. And then coming over here, you have your king-size bed. There's nightstands on either side. These rooms can be configured into twins if you're traveling with someone and you want the bed separated. You just have to ask your cabin steward. When we booked, we said that we wanted the bed made up into a king. And then coming through here, you have your balcony. There's two chairs and a table. And this table, it looks like Royal is starting to put larger tables on the balcony. A lot of people, I think, like to have lunch, breakfast out here on the balcony when you're sailing. And they used to have very small, just little tiny coffee tables. So it looks like they're starting to replace them with a larger table. So if you want to eat out here on the balcony, you can. Now let's go back and we're going to take a look at the bathroom. This is an adjoining room. So if you are a family or if you are two couples traveling together and you want to get adjoining rooms, you can do that. We are not traveling with anyone, so that is locked. So coming into the bathroom, you're going to have your shower, which has a handheld. There is shower gel. I believe it's a combination shampoo shower gel. You have your doors, which are glass. So this is nice. We prefer the glass doors over the shower curtain. Doesn't get caught on your legs and gives you a little bit more room. You have your toilet, and then on the left-hand side, there's a sink. And then on the right-hand side here, you do have some extra storage space. So again, you can put other toiletries, makeup in here, one sink, and then there's a shelf down below. So if you want to store some things, you have a shelf down below and a trash can at the bottom. Please like and subscribe. We hope to bring you a lot more videos. Join us. We're going to be vlogging during this cruise. Again, we're on Liberty of the Seas, sailing out of Cape Liberty, New Jersey to Bermuda.
Cat and Mike, the ship set sail on a journey that'll never fail. With the wind and